Everyone right now is obsessed with massive bloated AI frameworks that require a supercomputer to run. But what if you could run a fully autonomous local Claude assistant using just 5 core files? Meet NanoClaw. This isn't just another wrapper, it is a masterclass in minimalist engineering. It strips away all the complexity and leaves you with exactly what you need: strict container isolation, native WhatsApp and Telegram integration, and per-group memory. It even gives you the ability to run full agent swarms natively on your own machine. It is lightweight, hyperfast, and deeply secure. Let's look at the actual head-to-head comparison. Cloud AI models charge you $20 a month and hold your data on their servers. NanoClaw flips the script. It is 100% local, runs flawlessly on a Mac, Windows, or even a Raspberry Pi, and after the initial setup, it is completely free to use. Whether you need a dedicated code assistant that keeps your proprietary code private, an automated data analyst, or a research bot, NanoClaw adapts. And the best part is the AI native setup. You don't need to be a senior developer to use this. You run a single clone command, and Claude handles all of the dependencies, authentication, and container setups for you. But let's have a real conversation for a second. Setting up an AI tool is easy. Knowing how to actually turn that tool into a profitable business is the hard part. That is exactly why I've placed my private SKOOL community, the AI Money Forge, right here at the start of the video. Look at the value we are dropping in here. We have full step-by-step blueprints on building AI money systems, automated system and tools, and automation templates, and complete guides on how to use Claude Opus 4.6 and Gemini Pro 3.1 release. The community just hit 90 members and the builders in here are insane. We aren't just talking about AI, we are deploying autonomous employees. If you want to stop renting your intelligence and start building an empire, click the link in the description and claim your spot right now. Alright, let me show you exactly why NanoClaw is so dangerous. You are looking at a live multi-agent swarm inside a group chat. I asked the main agent, Andy, to assemble a team, a marine biologist, a physicist, a sommelier, and Alexander Hamilton, to pitch me a viral demo video idea. Watch the screen. These are not pre-programmed responses. These are individual, containerized AI personas communicating with each other in real time. They are pitching ideas, debating the virality, critiquing each other's concepts, and actively voting. Look at the sommelier and the physicist arguing over engagement metrics. Finally, they reach a consensus and agree on a Mars Constitution video concept. You just watched a localized AI swarm operate as an entire creative agency boardroom, completely unsupervised. So, how does a system this small pull off complex multi-agent orchestration? Let's look under the hood at the Architecture Explorer. Other frameworks like OpenClaw are incredible, but they have 500,000 lines of code. NanoClaw has around 10,000. It relies on a single Node.js process routing messages to isolated Docker containers. Look at this dependency graph. It is clean, it is modular, and it processes tasks with a strict group queue concurrency limit. This means it never overloads your system, no matter how many agents are talking. And its ability to handle deep contextual work is flawless. I asked the framework to do extensive research on Dostoevsky's Notes from Underground and format it perfectly for an Obsidian vault. It didn't just give me a text summary, it generated a heavily structured markdown file complete with character profiles, major theme breakdowns, literary technique analysis, and custom callouts ready to be imported directly into my knowledge base. It acts as a PhD-level research assistant that works at the speed of light. The entire philosophy of NanoClaw is this: small enough to understand. If you want to modify how the agent acts, the codebase is so lean that you can literally just ask Claude to write the custom patches for you. It is the ultimate sandbox for AI builders. All the links to the GitHub are below. And seriously, don't forget to click that link to join the AI Money Forge community before the doors close. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.